Docking station. Think of a docking station as the umbilical cord that transforms a portable laptop into a full-featured desktop workstation. For a technician, a docking station is more than just a convenient hub. It is a sophisticated piece of hardware that manages power distribution, high-speed data transfer, and multiple display signals through a single connection point. Part 1. The purpose of the dock. The primary goal of a docking station is productivity and convenience. In a modern office environment, a user doesn't want to spend 10 minutes plugging in a monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, an Ethernet cable, and a power adapter every time they sit down. With a docking station, all those peripherals remain permanently plugged into the dock. The user simply connects their laptop using one high-speed cable, and instantly, the laptop has access to all the desktop-class equipment. This allows a worker to move from a meeting to their desk in seconds without fumbling with half a dozen different cables. Part 2. Types of docking connections. As you prepare for your technical certifications, you must distinguish between the different ways a laptop talks to its dock. First, we have proprietary or legacy docking. These are the traditional docks you might see on older business-class laptops. The laptop has a multi-pin landing strip connector on the bottom. To use it, the laptop is physically pressed down onto the dock until it clicks into place. This is a purely mechanical and electrical connection that is specific to that one model of laptop. Second, we have the modern standard, USB-C and Thunderbolt docks. This is a single-cable solution. USB-C docks use something called DisplayPort Alt Mode to send video and power delivery to charge the laptop. Thunderbolt docks look identical to USB-C, but they offer much higher bandwidth, up to 40 gigabits per second. This is required if the user wants to run multiple 4K monitors or high-speed external storage through the dock simultaneously. Part 3. Port expansion and features. A docking station acts as a hub that provides the ports that are often missing from thin and light modern laptops. Multiple video outputs. Most docks provide a mix of HDMI and DisplayPort, allowing a laptop to drive 2 or 3 external monitors at once. Gigabit Ethernet. While many laptops have dropped the network port to save space, a dock provides a stable, wired connection, which is essential for large file transfers or secure environments. Always-on USB ports. Many docks feature specific ports that provide power even when the laptop is disconnected, allowing users to charge their phones or headsets overnight. Part 4. Docking stations versus port replicators. In technical exams, these terms are often used interchangeably, but there is a subtle difference you need to know. A port replicator is usually smaller and lighter. Critically, it does not have its own independent power supply. It passes through the electricity from the laptop's own charger. These are designed for portability and travel. A docking station is larger and comes with a massive power brick of its own. The dock provides enough electricity to run all the peripherals and charge the laptop at high speeds at the same time. If it has its own wall plug, it's a docking station. Part 5. Troubleshooting the dock. When a user says their monitors aren't working, the docking station is your first suspect. Here is your professional checklist. Check the power. Is the dock's power brick plugged into the wall? If the dock doesn't have enough juice, it might run a simple mouse and keyboard, but fail to provide enough power to start the external monitors. Firmware updates. Modern docks have their own internal software called firmware. Manufacturers frequently release updates to fix compatibility issues with new laptops or specific monitor brands. Cable quality. If you are using a Thunderbolt dock, the cable must be rated for that high speed. If the user swapped the original cable for a cheap, charging-only, phone cable, the dock will not be recognized by the computer. Summary for the A+ exam. To lock this in for your studies, docking stations provide desktop-level expansion via a single connection. Modern docks use USB-C or Thunderbolt with power delivery to charge the device. Port replicators are smaller, portable versions that usually lack an independent power source. Troubleshooting usually involves checking power, firmware, and cable ratings.